who said only designer can make money with clothing. Here are some proof with normal people like you and me that have no experience in this field. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a design and let Amazon work for you. Did it get your attention? Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to show you how we can make Amazon work for you. If you're always interested to find ways to make money online, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get the update as soon as I push a new video out on how to make money online. If you are new to my channel, my name is King and I help guide people gain their freedom they deserve through online space. If you're watching this video right now, I'm assuming that you have trying to make money online or try different ways to make money online but haven't found anything that works. If this is true, comment below. It was hard for me to earn money online with no skills at all, let alone selling, designing t-shirt online. But this true and the strategy had helped me gain my confidence to basically design because the template we got and the strategy helped me make money with this t-shirt design without extra work. It's going to be truly passive for you. And if you have tried to sell t-shirt online before but get no result, this first step might be something that you have missed. So watch to the end because I'm going to share you the top 7 websites that I use to help me marketing my designs. So the first step is you have to find the trend or the keyword so you don't waste a lot of your design. You have to do the research before you do the work. So let's dive in. So this is top 3 websites that you can do the search for. So you can use Google Trend, or you can use a word tracker, or you can use WordStream. So I type it in here, mom life. So you can see here roughly about, if you use Google Trend, it tells me about 70 search per month. Or if you look at the keyword tracker here, the volume is roughly, that's a lot. To give you some idea here too, that you can single mom life, stuff like that. So this is some idea that you can do designing for. Or if you look at a word stream, which can give you more in-depth in terms of like which keywords that is low competition, because you want to get into the one have a high volume search as like this one, mom life, is 2,900 search volume, low competition. So you want to get into that niche. If you found this helpful or eye-opening, don't forget to give me a like and comment below. So the next step that you want to get into is designing your t-shirt. So let's dive in. Canva is the most powerful tool that you can use because it can help you find your template, anything that you will need online. So it's free. I will share the link below so you can use it. You're going to go to canva.com and type in t-shirt, and t-shirt gonna load, the template gonna load for you. I'm going to pick one and I'm going to change some color, change some words, and when I'm done doing the designing, it's gonna take me less than 30 seconds. And then I want to resize. I want to make sure you understand that you want to resize to 5500 times 5400 pixel exactly. So when you upload on Amazon, it will fit and it won't give you an error when you upload it. So let's download. I usually download my transparent background because so I can place it on the white t-shirt. So the next step is step 3. After you do the designing, and now it's time to upload all your design to the website. The first one is going to be so easy for you. You can go to mergeamazon.com. You can sign up for it. It's probably going to take you about 14 days to get approved. And if you already approved, you need to sign in. After you sign in, you're going to look at this page. Basically, if you did the beginning, you're only allowed to create 10 products. So you want to select only one product. I'm going to pick the standard, upload my work. As you can see, it downloaded from me. So the only thing that I have to do is add the title. You can design, put the product description in there as much as you want, and click searchable, and you click publish. Or you can just go to redbubble.com. After you sign in, after you sign in with Redbubble, you can just basically add your new work to your dashboard. I'm going to upload the new work. So after you upload, you're going to fill out all the title, the tags, and the tag can help you do the search, also a description, also a title. So name your title, add your tag and description to the relevant to your design. So as you can see here, but I'm going to change the background color to black because that make it look better. So anything that looks good, you can leave it as so. Otherwise, you can just change it to color you want. You can make it bigger or smaller. If you don't like something, you can just disable it. Any design that you have on here, it basically you can apply to any kind of material. So cup, mug, skirt, scarf, almost everything. For the media part of it, you can just pick design and digital art. This is measure content, so you pick no. Click that and basically you save your work. That will show you, congrats, take about 15 minutes to appear on your design. So they're gonna give you a preview here, what your design gonna look like. And yeah, you're done. And you can share this with anyone. You can share this on your Facebook, on your Pinterest. Let me try on Facebook. And you basically done. The difference between Redbubble and Amazon is Amazon gonna take about 24 hours for them to review for any copyright, but with Redbubble, you can just publish within 15 minutes. Recap. Step 1, doing keyword research. Step 2, doing designing. Step 3, post or upload it on the website that I'm going to show you. So now you get all the skills, all the tools that you can crush this in this print on demand business. Since you stayed to the end, I'm going to give you my top 7 websites that I market my design. So here it is. You're welcome. Remember, some of these might have fee, but it's not much. It's worth posting your design out there. The more you post it, the more chance you will get a real loyal fee in your pocket. And if you want to learn more ways to make money online, I want to share this program that I took and helped me gain more confidence. So many ways that I didn't even think of that you can make money online. The program link below. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't done so, be sure to subscribe so you'll be the first to get notified when I put the new video out in the future about how to make money online and all the cool stuff. And if you want to know more about the program I mentioned earlier on how to learn ways to make money online, click this review on that program here.